run Claude Code from anywhere with Claude Code in the cloud. We specifically talking about Jules, which is Google's version of an agent in the browser. The good thing here is that it's Claude Code. The interface is very similar to this even. You've got your branch, you've got your GitHub repo that it's linked to. You set off a task. You could be on the toilet. You could be in a car. You're like, oh, crap, I just want to set off this thing, and it will just create that pull request from it as well. So this is really... I don't know why it took so long, to be honest. When I wasn't using Claude so heavily, I found such a use for just setting off Jules to go and edit my code or whatever, do what it needs to do. Yeah, really, really welcome addition.
You said, why didn't they do it earlier? Aren't they like notoriously bad with their web stuff?
I don't know. Look at this. Look at this UI. It's like so like,
their UI is really nice. Their design is nice. By the way, the website is
the complexity of the website itself is literally just that, So
yeah,
I don't know.
You're talking about the web app, right?
This is the web app,
yeah, and that's what I'm talking about, because the website itself, that's a different story. This is like a small tangent, but did you know the website itself is built on Webflow?
I do, because I saw Timothy Rix's post saying they're using Lumos. On it. I was on a podcast yesterday talking about Webflow, and we were talking about the users of Webflow. Who are these users? And one of those users who I and ahed about was just companies who just don't want a headache. They literally they want everything taken care of. It's like, this is such a small part of our offering right now. We just don't even we don't even want to think about it. Whatever.
It was also Webflow's like original kind of like marketing slogan, or like it was a part of their communication, that you want your marketing website to be an asset to marketing, not an engineering challenge. And it is for so many companies. If you decide to go everything custom, things might break, and then you have to take away precious time from engineers, which you really don't want to do. So
yeah, absolutely. It's not an engineering task, is it?
Again,
I say on the podcast, like, no one should be creating websites with code anymore, like basic websites. Do you know what I mean? Marketing websites. And I was like, you're talking to the guy who has indeed built their website with code. But the point is, it's, I'm a one-man band. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not hiring people to work on the website or whatever, but like, it just doesn't make any sense. Like, everyone should be going no code, not necessarily Webflow, but just no code.
No, necessarily Webflow. I'm kidding.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Companies.AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.